This week, I actually have a secret I'd like to share with you guys, but I want to come a bit closer because I don't want everybody to hear. Unicorns are actually real. Yes, and once you find them, they'll work a lot harder for you than a donkey. In my personal opinion, this is the very best thing about Google Analytics. The fact that it allows you to separate your unicorns from your donkeys. This is why I make it a duty to install Google Analytics or some kind of similar software on every client website that I work on. Because I realize that this information is absolutely invaluable. So, when I say unicorn in this case, I'm referring to that top 5% of pages that draw in the majority of organic traffic to your website. The goal after we find these unicorns is to take the traffic that they're generating and send them to the pages where you actually get your leads and you get your sales. Now, for those of you who don't have Google Analytics or any similar type of software installed, unfortunately, you're going to have to keep riding those donkeys for now. What I would suggest is that you actually contact me and I can get you set up. For the rest of us, I'm going to show you in 3 easy steps how to identify your unicorns. So at this very moment, we're in the Google Demo Analytics account. And as we speak, we're looking at the real-time results for the Google Apparel store. Now, before I get further into identifying unicorns, I want to just show you something really quickly. So right over here, it shows you the live number of users on the site as well as the breakdown between desktop and mobile. Now, I'm sure a lot of you have heard that mobile has taken over and desktop is dead, but as you can see here, the majority of the users on this site are actually on desktop. And believe it or not, this is a pattern that I've seen on every single website. So, that's something to think about. Anyway, let's get on to what we're here for, which is to find the unicorns. So we just go to acquisition, then we go to search console, then landing pages. Okay, scroll down, and here's a list of the most popular pages according to organic reach. And by organic reach, we mean people are finding these pages on Google. Now, what I want you to do is discount this very first result, because this is actually the home page. And of course, as you will find on almost every single website, the home page is always the most popular page. So what I want you to do is look at this bottom 5, or I should say the next 5. These 5 pages represent our unicorns, because these are the pages that are getting the most organic traffic. And just like that, we've identified them. Now what we could do is, now that we've found them, most e-commerce stores, they have a related product section. So now that we know what products get the most views, we can update that section to send these users to the products that are most profitable. So we're getting more profit by using the products that get the most views. Now, out of curiosity, let's look at the revenue. Doesn't look like Google has made much money from any of these products over the last week. But I wouldn't feel too bad for them. I think they'll be alright. Alright guys, now you know how to identify your unicorns. So that's pretty much it for this week. I'll see you in the next video.